Hey guys, how's it going? So as you were watching this video, it's a pre-recorded and I'm gonna be dropping this tomorrow morning just before I go to work. Cause tomorrow I work, Sunday I work. It's gonna be a brutal day tomorrow. It's gonna be 8 hours of work. I like 4-hour shifts because it's just like you feel like you're barely there. But with like 8 hours, by the end of the day, you're like tired. Your legs are like sore and they want to fall off. And you're just really tired and don't really want to do anything. But yeah, tomorrow I gotta go to work and I'm pre-recording this video for tonight and releasing early in the morning. So San Rafael 71 is a Metroleaf brand name if you guys are not aware of brands. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Dihalaza whatever. Well, anyways, I smoked there was no big chunks of weed and there was like little small pebbles. So I couldn't take a good picture. All I could do was, take a picture like this. I don't know. But anyways, the product's okay. I mean, I really like the smell. It has a very pleasant smell to it. The weed is okay. I've had better weed from Metroleaf. This is probably not gonna get this product anymore. But yeah, this is my review for it. I mean, it's pretty good. It smells really nice, but I like the purple weed that comes from San Rafael. I'm hoping I can get some more of that. I think it's called Purple Cradle. Hopefully I can get some more back. I didn't do a review on that one yet, but I'm hoping I can get that one and show you guys in the light that the cannabis turns purple when you put it in the light. And the high from that is really nice too. I really like the high from the Purple Cradle, I believe it's called. But yeah, hopefully next week some new inventory comes in and I can pick it up and show it and test it and review it to you guys. But anyways, today we're gonna be talking about Aurora Cannabis investing $10 million into retail High Tide. So High Tide is a private company. It's not publicly traded. Right now, Aurora has a convertible debenture, a senior and unsecured convertible debenture issued to High Tide at $1,000 per debenture. I don't want to speak fancy talk or anything, but basically, if they converted it, it's $13.333 million. As long as the company is holding this money, they owe Aurora 8.5% interest on the $20 million. Oh, sorry, the $10 million they lend to High Tide. So I guess in a sense, High Tide couldn't borrow money because, if you would borrow $10 million in the bank, would the bank wouldn't the bank offer a lower interest rate? Banks probably don't want the common shares, so they're offering Aurora, convertible debentures. So if the company does execute, Aurora can convert it into common shares and then try to take over the company. I don't know. And another part about this is not transparent is how much will Aurora own of the company if they converted the debenture? How much shares does the company have? A lot of unanswered questions in this whole article, but it's still pretty cool. It's Aurora's strategy is to try to control the production and the distribution, and the only person they really have to pay is the government. So they want to cut out every side and control the whole value chain, and only pay the government what they need to, and that's it. So that's that's the obvious strategy if they want to become a big player. And they're making small bets in like Alcana is pretty big bet actually. Joom, because like the value of the debentures, I mean the value of acquiring Alcana has gone down dramatically. Like they already probably lost 70% of the total $100 million value they invested into Alcana. I'm hoping they get, you know, some retail locations out of it, and hopefully they can take out Alcana in the future, because right now if Aurora was using their stock to take Alcana, it would be so cheap. Even if they try to like privately take it out, I think they could do it. But maybe they don't want to. I don't know. Maybe they can't. Maybe because of the liquor business, they kind of like, oops, we can't really do anything. Maybe they'll get Alcana to spin out the weed business and sell it to Aurora. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why Alcana is declining so bad. I don't understand, like, what's, like, is Aurora gonna buy Alcana, you know, like, what's going on with Alcana? I have no idea, but it's kind of interesting in my opinion. So yeah, right now they have 4 locations, Brana. These 4 locations are in Calgary, Edmonton, Lethbridge, and Whitecourt. I couldn't find Lethbridge, but I did found Whitecourt, Edmonton, Calgary, and I found BC. So right here, this location right here is the Canabrands. Yeah, this location right here is where Canabrands is in Edmonton, and then this location is, I totally forgot. Is it Calgary? I think this is Whitecourt. Yeah, this is Whitecourt. This location is Whitecourt. Yeah, this location right here is Whitecourt. I believe it's like around here. Whitecourt is kind of close to Edmonton, but I'm not willing to drive down to Whitecourt. Is it kind of close to Edmonton? Let me see this. Where is Whitecourt and where is Edmonton? Yeah, no. That would be like a 3-hour drive to Whitecourt. I'm not doing that. Nope. Doesn't sound fun to me. Definitely not heading to Whitecourt. The obvious route would be this way. No. About 2-hour drive. Maybe an hour drive there and an hour drive back. Not willing to do it. So, but I'll check out the Edmonton location one just for fun. And then this one is in Calgary. Yeah. Let's see if I can zoom out for you guys. Yeah, Calgary. Calgary. I'm not sure where it is here, but the picture is what looks like this. I guess it doesn't really matter. And then I found the one in BC, Canabrands. It's like a small shack, but and it's in like the middle of nowhere, like literally middle of nowhere. I'm surprised that, you know, the document was inaccurate. They had one in BC and they didn't announce it. Like, oh, I guess it's kind of attached to a bigger town. Where's this? Aurora. But yeah, they have one in BC. Yeah, and then the one in Lethbridge, I couldn't find it. It doesn't show on Google Maps, so maybe they got the Lethbridge wrong and there's no real Lethbridge Canabrands. But I think Aurora really wants to get into the retail business, and they're hedging the bet with Joom, Canabrands, and Alcana. So they're they're gambling on a bunch of small companies, and then hopefully one day when they have established retail chain, they just take them out so they can control the distribution. At least this is what I think the strategy is. It seems that way because they made a big purchase into High Tide. I don't know. I wonder if High Tide had any other investments. High Tide. Oh, High Tide is... Maybe I spelled it wrong. No, I don't think I spelled it wrong. Oh, I did spell it wrong. Oops, me. Dutch online cannabis assessed retail forums. Grassy joins High Tide for 6.7 million. Wayland, No, so High Tide got a $6.3 million joins Grassy High Tide for 6.73 million. So they got some money. I'm not too sure. Let's read this. This was on December 12, 2018. Excluding the loan repayment of a total purchase approximately 6.73 million paid to Grassy City shareholders, of which 8.4 million shares. I apologize for sneezing. Special warrants were issued at 50 cents. Special warrants and automatically convert to common shares of High Tide at additional cost. No additional cost to vendors. Closing the transaction. So they got another 6.7 million plus the 10 million they got from Aurora. So they have a total of these guys got a better deal. They got it at 50 cents while Aurora got it at like 70 cents, I think, or 75 cents. So yeah, it's good. I don't know. I mean, High Tide obviously has the money to go around acquiring retail stores and, you know, opening up, making their business stronger. And then maybe one day, if they have such a really big business, Aurora might just take them out because Aurora can use the stores for distribution, so they control the distribution. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.